Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So today in this video we are going to talk about Timecoin protocol. So Timecoin protocol is decentralized sharing economy protocol using the Ethereum blockchain. So basically this platform is going to provide you with the app where you can buy and sell skills and services that you are specialized in, and you can get paid with the help of that Timecoin. So why we should use the Timecoin protocol? So first of all, this Timecoin protocol is open source and community managed, and second plus point of Timecoin protocol is that there is no data reselling. As we know that most of the companies that are providing such services are storing our datas, our valuable datas that can be sold and can be misused in various manners. So with the help of Timecoin protocol there will be no data reselling and no deplatforming will be there. And the last plus point of Timecoin protocol is that no exploitation of monopoly position. All the thing in Timecoin protocol is decentralized and there will be no monopoly. There is a special token sale currently ongoing and you can get up to 93% discount. So if you want to purchase that token, you can join that token sale by clicking on this join the sale tab, and it will be redirecting you the page of token sale. So you will be getting all the information of token sale by going through this token sale page. And here you can see, so this project has already conducted an IEO on 11th November 2020, and their IEO price of Timecoin was around 0.7 USD and it was listed on the exchange at the price of 11 USD. So this project is already been listed on Bit4x, Bitmart and Biki exchanges. So you can purchase in this special token sale at up to 91% discount, and you can exchange this token when your tokens are unlocked. So you can purchase in this token sale at 91% discount. This token sale round 2 will be lasting up to October 31st 2021. So you have plenty amount of time for making a purchase in this special token sale. So you can purchase Timecoin in exchange of BTC, ETH and USDT, and one Timecoin will be costing you around 3 USDT. So this is a good chance for you to purchase this token right now. And if you are purchasing this Timecoin in bulk, you will be getting additional benefits. Here you can check out, if you are purchasing more than 2500 token, you will be getting 10% additional bonus in Timecoin. And if you are purchasing more than 5000 token, you will be getting additional benefit of up to 20% in Timecoin. And the last bonus will be for the purchase that are made more than 50 or 50,000 token. You can get up to 30% additional benefit in Timecoin. So you can check more details about their bonus plan by clicking over here. You will be getting more information about the bonus plan by going through it. And if you are purchasing this Timecoin in special token sale, you have to go through their vesting period, and this vesting period will be lasting up to 120 days. So vesting period will be starting after token sale round 2 is over. So vesting period will be starting from 1st November 2021. So first round will be lasting 30 days and second round will be lasting another 30 days. So here is how their vesting period will be unlocking your token, and in each vesting period your 25% of token will be unlocked. So if you have purchased 1000 token in their special token sale, you will be getting 250 token in first unlock and 250 token in another unlock. So I recommend you to check out that unlock period and terms and condition first making purchase if you are willing to purchase in the token sale. So this is a process. First you have to click on this apply form tab by clicking over here apply this, and then you will be receiving a confirmation email from their admin. And after receiving the confirmation email, you have to make a deposit in BTC, USDT, ETH within 10 days to make a purchase in their token sale. It will be taking 1 or 2 business days for your payment to get confirmed. Then after receiving payment confirmation, you will be receiving TMCN coin on the due date that is mentioned in the agreement. So I recommend you to read all the agreements that are provided by them in their application form. So this is how you are going to make a purchase in their special token sale. And if you still have doubt regarding the process, you can ask them over Telegram, or else you can ask me in my comment section of this video. So you can get more information about the project by going through the small videos that are provided over here. I recommend you to watch this video and get yourself clarified regarding the project. Here you can check why we should use Timecoin protocol. Benefit of using Timecoin protocol is that here you can see easier development with Timecoin protocol EDK. So they are going to provide you a development kits that is easier to use, and here you can see they have also reduced user acquisition cost, that is cost due to mobility of user between the. So this is another good thing of using Timecoin protocol. And the third important thing is that Using Timecoin protocol, you will be a part of fairer sharing economy. You can also go through their white paper. I'll be leaving the link in the description box for their white paper. In the white paper, you will be getting more information about their architecture also and their working. So I recommend to go through their Timecoin protocol architecture and working from the white paper, as this will be improving your knowledge about the project. So I recommend you to purchase Timecoin token in their special token sale, because this will be to get more and more benefit with the help of their NFT purchase and various other the apps that they are going to launch in near future. You can also play games in their esport the app and get more and more Timecoin by playing and competing with other players. So here you can check out other use cases for Timecoin. It will be used as a payment for TCP transaction fees, payment for goods or services traded in the app, allocation of rewards for TCP platform contributor. So these are all benefit of holding Timecoin right now, and it will be benefiting you in near future. So they are also going to launch their staking network, where you can stake Timecoin and get increase in holding up to 12% within just 6 months and up to 24% in 12 months. So you can stake your Timecoin and get your holding increase in the range of 12 to 24% in the matter of just 6 to 12 months. So you can choose accordingly how much time you want to stake. So here you can check out the Timecoin protocol, the apps. First, the app is their eSports Star, where you can challenge professional esport player to develop and improve your gaming skills and make money by playing exciting sport games. So here you can visit their website. It is available in Japanese, English and Chinese. You can choose accordingly to your native languages. So this is another opportunity to increase your Timecoin holding by playing games in their the app platform. And another the app is their Time Ticket, that have already given information where you can buy and sell skills and services or knowledge in the app platform and get paid in Timecoin. So there are more than 500k Time Ticket user already available, and it will be soon migrated to Timecoin protocol once ported is over. So you can get more information by going to this Time Ticket website. It will be giving you a lot of information about. So I recommend you to participate in the special token sale, because this is opportunity to build a wealth right now, because here you can get up to 91% discount. If you have participated in the round sale 1, you would have got up to 93% discount. So I recommend you to participate in the token sale right now and get up to 91% discount. This is a good opportunity to buy this token, and I recommend you to go through the terms and condition and agreements before making purchases in the token sale. So I recommend to join their Telegram group and other social media that are provided over here. And I highly recommend to go through the frequently asked question list and terms and conditions. According to me, this project is worth investing right now. You can get up to 91% discount in their special token sale. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.